Hi guys, I'm now here at Super Sam dito sa May Green Hills, and today we'll try out yung kanilang salpicao. Okay, so there's the salpicao. Kamanoy natin pating gambas. Okay, so that's our lunch for today. Tingnan natin ang ating glucose. Okay, so teka lang ha, let's switch to a screen mode. Okay, so here's my screen. Tingnan natin. Ganda ng ote, no? So you can see it's 92 right now. The trend's going down, so I'm within range. Pero yun nga, let's try the food out and then let's see what happens to my glucose. Alright, that's it. So here's the gambas. Go up, grab it. And we'll try the salpicao. Yan. So medyo matitis ng konti, pero yan natin. Sarap. Panalo. So garlicky. Right, it's been an hour and a half since I had lunch. And the food was great. So panalo. Sobrang panalo yung beef salpicao. That's Angus beef salpicao. Now let's see what happened to my glucose. To my blood sugar. Okay, and as expected, alright, it's around 191. So, probably pumalo siya ng 200. Okay, so that's the topmost. So, ayan. So, 200. That is my sugar. So, mataas. Halos 100 yung inakyat. Kasi nga naman, that's, ayun na, salpicao. So, it's beef, rice, konting gambas. Alright. But, yeah, that's it. So, ingat-ingat lang sa pagkain, no? Paminsan-minsan lang. Huwag nating dadalasan. So, yun lang. Thank you guys. See you next time.